स्टार्ट से एक बार वो पुष्पा वाला झुकेगा नहीं साला आपसे भी सुनना है सब
झुकेगा नहीं
Sir, talking about this association, of course, जब आप यहाँ होते हैं कहीं ना कहीं ऑडियंसेस को पता होता है कि टी सीरीज का साथ है तो कुछ तो बड़ा होने वाला है, कुछ तो बात है. अभी talk to us about this film and of course this association, sir, please.
See, we have started our relation with Maitri Movies from Pushpa 1. I did the music for that, and in this we have gone on to another association level where we are associated with Pushpa 2 also. Not in terms of music, now we are doing so much stuff with Ravi Garu and Mr. Naveen Garu, and I'm very proud to be associated with Pushpa. And everybody, like Sukumar Garu, I've met many times, and he's so dedicated director. I remember I met him in Hyderabad, and I think he was in his writing camp for Pushpa 2, and I've seen his dedication. So all the best to him. He has worked very hard on the film, and that all we can see on the big screen now. And music has become already a big blockbuster piece, and the songs are working so well all over. We all are like in Pushpa 1, and all the best to you and everybody associated with the film. And I don't want to forget DSP. He has given up great music. Means, you know, after one, I know what are the challenges when you are giving another part music, and he has done a great job in terms of background music and music. So all the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. From music to blockbusters, congratulations and thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Journey. Talk to us about that first shot. And उससे भी पहले that first time when you got to know that you will be working with icon star Allu Arjun sir.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well, and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I was like, okay, no, I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave, and all of that. But that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of Sir, he's family, he's home. So the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
you met these eminent journalists, you know, a couple of times.
जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको. Of course she said it. अब समझ में आ गई. You know,
just said no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's in simple one-liner. I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else. But you know, he's just born as a human being, and some other soul is he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
So we should really
है ना, we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. You know, कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very sad that it's ended, but I'm very excited that it's finally coming out. So I am a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I will get to work with you. many more times.
श्योर, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड एंड आई एम श्योर ऐसा ही होगा। यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो। 5 दिसंबर द रूल बिगिंस लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। कल्मिनेशन नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो। पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप। हाउ मेनी?
बस
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ,
सबके लिए।
मेरा हो गया। ओके, जाते जाते ऑफ कोर्स आई गॉट दिस रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवन, यू नो, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, वी विल प्ले अंगारो और आपको चिंगारी कैसे चलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आई कांट।
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
प्लीज, यस।
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Are you all I've been looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Yeah, I really will, because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were already asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in the theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल।
कसं काय मुंबई? Good evening each and every one of you. Thank you all for being here. Firstly, I would like to thank the media for covering this event. Thank you. And today that I'm here, I would like to first thank my producers, Maitri Naveen Garu, Maitri Ravi Garu. Thank you so much. This movie is not possible without you, without your support. We've been shooting this film, part 1 and part 2, for almost 4.5 years. And there's no way we could have done this without your support. Thank you, Ravi Garu, once again. Thank you, Naveen Garu, and thank you, Cheri Garu. Thank you, Maitri Movies, for trusting us. And today, for the last so many years, I always love Bhushan Ji so much because he's brought so much music to this country. He's brought so much joy into people's lives. Bhushan Ji, it's a pleasure to see you here. For the longest time, for many years, I used to think that my albums have to get released on a platform like T-Series, you know, because that's got the biggest reach. And today, when that actually happened for Pushpa, it filled my heart with a lot of joy. I never got an opportunity to tell you that. Thank you so much. And Anil Ji, thank you so much for distributing this movie. You know, I particularly wanted to tell you this, that in the whole of South, we all found out how is it to work with you. And each and every single person had have said such nice things about you. It's nice that you have such a lovely reputation all over the country. Whoever we call, everybody said great things about you. It's an absolute pleasure to be working with someone like you. Thank you so much for putting this film on the highest pedestal. Thank you. And coming. Hey, thank you. thank you. Pushpa Raj. Jyoti Ganesh. इस बार अर्गिस झुकेगा नहीं साला। And it would be unfair for me not to thank all my technicians who have worked for this film. I would like to thank my entire crew, my unit, because the entire country, you know, when you come to Mumbai, it's like it's the media hub of this country. So this whole, you know, when you address something in Mumbai, it means that whole nation and the whole world is watching. So I would like to thank my entire unit that has supported me from the COVID times. You know, it was hard to shoot for 400-500 people during COVID times challenge till today. It's almost a 4.5-5 years journey. So thank you to my unit. There's no way I would have done it without them. And to all my technicians, my chief technicians, my art director, my cameraman Kuba, and above all, my childhood friend and a person who's given me so many super hit songs, none other than my childhood friend rockstar Devi Shri Prasad. Thank you, Devi. You have given me phenomenal numbers, and at last you gave me so many songs. At last you even gave me a global chart number like Ooh Antava Mama. Thank you, Devi. I can't thank you enough. And still, we still have one more song that is going to be released, and you will witness Devi's magic on December 1st, which we will be releasing with the video. You know, I want to tell everybody that we're giving a 1-minute video out, a full dancing number out. I think it'll touch your hearts, and I think we'll bring celebrations into the theatre with that song. And I would like to thank, most importantly, my actors. There is no way I could have performed without my artist support. I'd like to thank a phenomenal actor, Mr. Fafa. We call him Fafa, Mr. Fahad Fazil Garo. I would like to thank Fahad Fazil Garo for doing this film. He's a hero himself, but still, for the love of the film, for the love he has for Sukumar Garu, he came and played an antagonist in this film. And you will all witness what a phenomenal actor he is, you know, on this December 1st worldwide. Thank you, my dear Fafa. Thank you, my brother. And thank you, Dancing Queen, you know, Sri Leela. She's a Telugu girl, she's from my hometown. And she's a phenomenal dancer. I think the entire country and the world will witness how this girl can dance. And I wish her all the best. And of course, my most special, my Srivalli. You know, last 4 years, I have only been working with one actress. And that is none other than Rashmika. You know, we have become almost like family. I'm so comfortable with her. I want to take 2 minutes and thank her for everything that she's done for this film. Her support is immense. There is no way this film is complete without Srivalli's support. And me and my director, Sukumar Garu, have like so much admiration for her. You know, because we keep shooting every day and she comes once in a while. And whenever she comes, you know, those days are so pleasant, and when she leaves, we're like, "Arey, such a sweet girl. She's brought in so much beautiful, positive energy." You know, these are the kind of girls we want to work with. You know, these are the kind of girls who will brighten up the room. You know, the world needs more like, you know, the world needs more girls like these. In a day where we all, you know, complain, oh, the girls are like this today, like that today, when we're all complaining, she's the kind of girl where you can say there are even girls like this who make our world a beautiful place. Thank you, Rash. Thank you. I can't show my love more than this. Thank you so much. You made me so comfortable to perform. There's no way I could have performed this way if not for your comfort and respect and love. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. And my entire journey of 20 years started with my director, Sukumar Garu. He's not just the director of Pushpa 2, he's the director of my second film, Arya, and probably Pushpa. By the time I think Pushpa is my 20th or 21st film, and we've made many films together. There is no way I will be standing on the stage without his support. And it is he who has made me a star. Undoubtedly, I keep telling this even in my hometown, if there is one man who has made the biggest difference in my life, even in the end of my life, when I look back, who's that one person who changed the entire course of your life? It would be none other than my director Sukumar Garu. Darling, I really miss you. You know, he's such a phenomenal director, and he cares so much for the audience that his absence today speaks about his work. You know, because it's such a big thing to be here today in Mumbai, you know, showcase your film to the national media. But still he's sitting there trying to make small changes for the local copy and trying to make small betterments, maybe a little here, maybe a little there. He's trying to give you the best. Believe me and him, we only thought, not even for a second did we think how much money are we going to make, how much are we going to make out of this film. We, him, me, the artists, the producers, the entire crew, all of us have dwelled for 5 years. Gentlemen, in our life, prime 5 years we have dedicated for this movie to give the audience the best, especially Pushpa 2. We've given 3 years of our lives to give you the best product possible, and I hope it all touches your heart. We're still doing the work. I have lost my voice. I just need to dub 1-2 small corrections, but I need to rest tonight, and I'll get back home and I'll dub that, and I'll give you the best possible. We want to give, you know, I consider audience as God. And when you give God, there is no limitation of anything. You should try to give the best of your abilities, and we try to do our best of our abilities to give you the best we can. And thank you. Yes. In the last. And in this film, honestly, when we're doing this film, there's only one thought. We have made this film called Pushpa. We made a film, but it is you who has made it a phenomenon. It is not our greatness, it is your greatness. I'd like to thank all the audience for making this such a big phenomenon. You made this film, it is not my greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say that you made this film as the biggest film in Indian film industry. You know, this film is going to release in 12,000 plus screens worldwide. This is the biggest film. The last 3 consecutive years, this film has been standing as the #1 most awaited film. Thank you, India. Thank you, Pushpa fans all over the world. Thank you so much for putting us on the highest pedestal. And it is my absolute honor and it's my absolute joy that 12,500 screens worldwide in 6 different languages. People from every state, people from every language, you know, every Indian from all over the world and every part of the world are going to come together for one celebration, and that celebration is Pushpa 2, and it is my absolute honor, and we want to give you the best. You know, the whole India comes together worldwide to celebrate one film, and that film is our film. It is my absolute, how do I say, no words. I think instead of putting in words, I would say just please watch the film and what we have done for you and how much love we have shown for you. Thank you so much. చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. A lot of people from and yes, thank you my dear fans. I love my fans. You know, they're like my family. They fight for me. They stand by me. They celebrate me. You know, they stand for me like an army, and that's why, you know, on a sweet note, I always call them my army. Thank you, my army. I love you all. I love you all. I will make you all proud. I will make you all proud. If this is bad, wildfire and see you in December 15th in the theaters. Thank you, India. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you to all the Indians and Pushpa fans worldwide. Thank you. And I wanted to have my first meeting in that office, and that film, Pushpa 1 was taking off. So I called Mr. Sukumar, and it was his birthday. And I said, I want to have my first meeting of Pushpa meeting in this office. There's no office. Let's just sit on a terrace, have a chai, and talk about the film. So that is the first meeting that happened in my office in 2020. And it's that memory that I wanted to make a memory, you know, with Pushpa 1 in that office.
Can we have the next one?
When we first wanted to give the name, we just wanted to give only the title called Pushpa. Pushpa means flower in Telugu. And a good friend of mine, who's a common friend, Mr. Director Harish Shankar, who is a common friend for Director Sukumar Garu and me, he said, "Sir, you know, the name flower sounds very soft for a mass hero. Why don't you come up with a powerful name?" And I addressed this issue to my director, saying, you know, he's saying that, you know, it's not give the title logo alone, because there'll be a lot of discussion about the logo. Discussion about the title. That's when he said, no, it's good that you told me. Let's not give the name by itself. Let us give it with a picture. Let's, you know, you become so rough, and let's give a look which is quite shocking. So when they see a rough guy with a soft name, it will really set the contrast, and that picture lit the entire expectations for Pushpa from that day onwards till this day. From that poster to this day, expectations of Pushpa has never come down. So that picture is like the seed for everything. It is my absolute honor, and you know, I can tell everybody this, that when I was doing Pushpa 1, I requested Sukumar Garu that you know, I really want to try to win the Best Actor award. I have won Best Actor many times, but I also want to take the bar to the next level, so that we should give a quality that maybe we can try for a national award. I really wanted to try for a national award, and I told him that, and he promised me. He said, I will do my best to see through that, you know, I present you the best so that how do I say, we will make a film where everybody feels it deserves a national award for your performance, and also it makes it more special because in the last 69 years, no Telugu actor has ever won a national award, and that was in my heart. I was the first actor in 69 years of Telugu films to win a national award, and that will always be a very remarkable achievement for me in my life. And it's a priceless, and it happened only because of one man, none other than my director Sukumar Garu.